Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Vicky and I love everything luxury, fashion and beauty and lifestyle. So if you're here, it's because you love luxury as much as I do. So thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. And today I'm bringing you a bag reveal. This is a bag that I bought probably about 2.5 months ago and it's still in the box, but I wanted to take this opportunity to show you. So if you want to learn what I got, keep on watching. So before I show you what's in this bag, I want to say that I bought this bag, like I said before, probably about 2.5 months ago, and I just haven't had the chance to take it out of the box or film an unboxing, and I wanted to show it to you and just give you some of my thoughts and why I picked this bag. I know that everybody's going through tough situations and I want to be sensitive, but this is a channel about, you know, luxury and fashion and lifestyle, and this is just maybe a time that we can take to get our minds out of the craziness of what's going on right now. So here's the bag, actually the box. The bag is inside. So as you know the drill, I'm just going to pull the ribbon, and this bag has been here, or here's the receipt right here, and just going to remove the ribbon, put this aside, and here is the box, and here's the bag. Oops. Right here. So cute. So the bag that I picked, and I was between, and I'll tell you what other bags where I was looking before I picked this bag, but the bag that I picked is the Vavin in the PM in the Tourterelle color, which means dove in English. This is an absolutely it's like a beige with a gray undertone. I'm gonna try to do some close-ups. But this bag is absolutely beautiful, just like I said with every single bag. But this one, it's just such a classic silhouette. It's a flat bag and it has a chain strap. So it's a chain strap that can be used double or it can be used single. But this one is an EMPREINTE leather, so it has all EMPREINTE leather on the flap and then all the way to the back. It doesn't have a back pocket, which to me is not a deal breaker. It comes with two little tabs here and two little I would say, I don't know how these are called, but they look like little buttons, and it says Louis Vuitton. Then it has 4 grommets in here where the chain pass through, and they're both on each side say Louis Vuitton also. The bag measures, and let me just take a look at some of my notes right now on my phone. It measures 9.5 almost 10 inches, 9.84 inches, and then the height is 6.69 and the width is 3.74, and it doesn't have any measurements as far as the length of the chain, but I have a measuring tape right now, and when it's double it goes to, it is just a little bit over 12 inches, and when it's single, let's do it this way, it is 22 inches and a quarter. So this bag has this beautiful chain. It's in a shiny gold material. 2 of the leather tabs, which makes this bag super comfortable, and each of them said Louis Vuitton. Here in the front, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, right here. And then when you open it, it has a little bit of a give here in this, but this is just for decorations. The closure is actually magnetic and it's really strong. If you can hear that, let me try again. So I love that. It's so easy and it's very, very strong. Inside has a microfiber interior, and it has a back zipper pocket, which is very, very deep, and it has some stuff inside, just as always, the care booklet, and then the textile card right here, and then the item number is M44929 44929. It also has a pocket in the front, which is actually very, very roomy. I can actually put I have an iPhone 11 and I can put it in there, and you can see that I still have a lot of room in it. So next is also, like I said, it has the zipper pocket in the back. The zipper is super, super smooth, as you can hear and see. And let me read a little bit about the bag, just all the details. It has this is embossed supple grain cowhide leather and supple grain cowhide leather. So this is grain leather and this is EMPREINTE, and it has a microfiber lining, gold color hardware, lock closure, the adjustable strap, chain strap, and then the front open pocket and the inside zipper pocket. I picked this color because I feel that it's absolutely beautiful. It's nothing like I have in my collection. I feel that this color will go with everything. It's a bag that you can dress up and dress down, especially because of the chain. And I want to show you, once I get the little clips, how I can make this also a top handle with the little clips that I have. So I'll be right back. So here's the bag with the little clips, so I can show you. I'm gonna do a close-up. These are the little clips that I ordered from Amazon. So one of the things that I must say, if you use the clips, I would go very, very light, because what happens is that when the bag is full and you make it top handle, the flap tends to kind of, you know, just fold out. See how this is going all the way out? So I will just be careful, but this is the way that you can do it top handle, like this. So you can wear it on the crook of your arm, or you can just wear it like this. Also, let me show you what fits in it. I just grabbed a few items. This is by any means the way I would feel it or what I would carry, but just so you have an idea how roomy it is. So here's all the interiors, and this is how I attach the little clip. And again, I will show you a close-up so you can have a better idea. And this is the bag with all the items. So this is the back pocket. So here I have my card holder. I also have a key clay, and then on the main compartment I have my sunglasses, which I always carry my sunglasses in the little dust bag. I usually don't like to carry the case because I think it's too bulky. So these are one of my favorite Gucci sunglasses. Then inside I have one mini pochette where I have all little, it's almost like a catch-all. Another mini pochette, this is where I have all my lip essentials. And this is my 6-key ring holder, my car keys, and then on the pocket my cell phone. And now you'll see, once I took all the items, when I pick up the bag from the top handle, it stays, the flap, it doesn't fold out. So that's something to keep in mind. So here are my final thoughts on this bag. If you have a pochette métis and you love it, I think this is like the older and sophisticated sister of the pochette métis. It has all the different elements, except that this one has only one big compartment. But as far as size, I think that it really compares on how much you can carry. Actually, I feel like you can probably carry more on this one than on the pochette métis. I like that it has a flat and that the closure is very fussy free, is strong, is easy to open, easy to close. I like that it has a double chain and that you can wear it in so many different ways: crossbody, shoulder, on the crook of your arm if you use the little clips. I would not overstuff this bag. I so far can find any cons. I would say that my only con is like when you use the clips that the flap tends to just, you know, kind of bend. But again, the bag is not designed for that, so I will be very careful. I will not use that all the time, mainly this bag, because it's leather and, you know, you want to preserve it and keep it as original as it is. Again, remember, when you do anything to the bag that can change the structure or, you know, the craftsmanship of the bag, you know, you can void the warranty. So always be careful with what you do to your bag. But other than that, I'm extremely happy. I can't wait to start using this bag because I feel that it's the perfect summer bag. Great for, you know, an evening, for an outing, for a dinner party. Just very, very user-friendly. I like that it's easy to open, and like I said, that I can wear it in so many ways. Again, thank you everyone for stopping by and for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload more videos. Until next time, thank you and have a wonderful week. Bye bye.